Hello, after a little time I'm back with a new video for my mini mill. I decided to make a 4th axis. I got a good deal on eBay and bought a harmonic drive. The axis is mounted on this blade with clamps. So the dimensions are 135 in the height, 148 in the width and 80 millimeters from the center to the bottom. It's made from aluminium. This part also, the chuck is from steel, the harmonic drive is also steel, and this blade is aluminium. Okay, so it's looking, all material is ordered and I'm excited to build this thing. Okay, until my next video, bye.